funded and focused feature. We're going to talk about why a credit readiness snapshot session is a game changer. It's your first step to clarity, confidence, and control. So here's what it does for your finances. It actually allows you to get funded and focused at the same time. So it's a key to access funding, growing your business, and taking control of your financial future. So this session, which is a credit readiness snapshot, gives you a clear picture of your credit health. It gives you the steps to fix what's holding you back. It can be a roadmap to secure loans, grants, and investments, and gives you the confidence to make informed financial decisions. So stop guessing and start knowing. When your credit is ready, so are your opportunities. So take this first step today. Be funded, be focused, be unstoppable.